Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share a special project that just finished by MPX Autos. We call it project because it actually is one of the very unique system that we fit in the Toyota LandCruiser 79 series 2023, a brand new car model, and it just smells new inside as well. The car comes with two standard speakers, as you definitely know from this model, but at this moment it is fully fit with a new set of D-Class Pioneer speaker, tweeter, amplifier and subwoofer everywhere that we possibly hidden the part into the car, and also everywhere that we possibly can select the best position to fit on the panels. It took so much hours of thinking, walking, and we finally we finished everything at the very best position on each panel, on the doors, and also the amplifier and thing under the seat. So let's look at the panel. Rear left speakers here. We have the tweeter, D-Class, and the speakers, and the sound is just simply no question. And that is the front door here on the left, and you see that is tweeter and the drivers. And now just walk to the other side. Everything is perfectly fit into the place and get into the position as we want them to be. So look far away from here, you see the tweeter and the drivers. That's the best place for the panel, and we already adjust the sound as well. So look at here, the tweeter and driver, perfect, and it looks beautifully like it was fit by factory. Everything, new panel, new port, and now under the driver seat is the subwoofer and amplifier from Pioneer D-Class one, and under the passenger seat is 1200 watt D-Class amplifier for the speaker and tweeters. So in total, this system is including two amplifiers. One is the one under the seat, passenger seat for the all speaker and tweeter, and one under the driver seat is for subwoofers. And it playing some special music, dancing music, party music. The one under the seat will massage the body, massage the driver's body when driving as well. No, I'm joking, but actually it is really nice and to fit right under the seat. You couldn't see it from the side when you open the door. You only can see it, you know, when you try to look down to the floor on the driver's seat, but it looks black and blend nicely on the, you know, on the floor, and it doesn't harm anywhere. On the other side, the amplifier fit under the passenger seat actually stay much more hidden. Okay, so even if you look down here, you cannot see the cord because it's fully, you know, covered behind the floor cover. And the same at the back end here, you won't see anything from the back. It's fully covered. Okay, so nicely fit and hidden as we want. All good, all done, and we are getting this one done. So we have more of the controller thing fit inside the car, hidden away in the glove box, and that's very nicely to control both of the amplifier and subwoofer. So we would like to say thank you again, and yep, we'll see you on the next one. If you feel the lattering noise, actually this from this piece of thing, it needs to be adjusted because this is an aftermarket part add in here. So it makes a rattling noise after we fit the whole new sound system. This one will be taken care later because it is very minor thing, but the whole thing on the door is perfect, beautiful, and no noise. It's just so clear and so clear, so deep, so high, and that's what we want. D-Class Pioneer full setup LandCruiser 79 series dual cab 2023. Thank you, and we'll see you then.